Interclean can provide you with high-quality mats specifically designed for the food and beverage industry. Superflow is a new mat designed with a drainage system to remove liquid and debris from the floor. This reversible anti-slip mat is remarkably comfortable and is usable on both sides, doubling the life of the mat. Its perforated dog bone pattern surface is slip resistant while allowing instant evacuation of liquids. At only 8.5mm thick, this low profile mat allows for easy cart access and is lightweight to facilitate lifting and cleaning. We recommend this mat for washing stations, food processing, kitchens, cook lines, coffee shops and fast food outlets. The SkyStep Nitrile standalone rubber mats have a gritted surface pattern with ergonomic bubbles to provide maximum fatigue relief while still maintaining its anti-slip properties. This unique mat is designed to suction to the ground to prevent the mat from shifting and trap air in its chambers to create an ultimate cushioning effect while keeping the mat lightweight. Designed to meet individual food industry requirements, the SkyStep mat has a thick ergonomic worker platform made from a tough yet resilient nitrile rubber compound, which is resistant to vegetable oils and greases. This is the perfect mat for any dry, greasy areas, including food processing, food packaging, food preparation areas, and bars. To find out more about our range of food and beverage matting, contact your local Blackwoods branch or Interclean Australasia.